Namaste. Today I am going to read Jnaneshwari, chapter 18, OV 1144 onward. When there is no royalty in blood, how the king will enjoy royalty, his kingdom, or can darkness remaining in dark embrace sun, or the thing which is not sky can that know what sky is, or could a ornament of red seeds matches ornament of jewels? Like that, who has not become me? How could he know what and where am I? There then don't talk of him worshipping me. So that advanced ascetic, becoming me, enjoy me alike. A woman enjoy her youth. The wave kisses water all over by its entire surface, or illuminating of disk of sun, becoming one with disk, shines all over, or space in the sky rolls becoming sky. Like that, becoming my form, he worships me without doing anything, like an ornament, itself being gold, worships gold, or the fragrance of sandalwood naturally worships sandalwood, or moonlight on its own worships moon. Like that, in non duality, though doing action is not tolerated, still there is devotion in it. This has to be experienced, it can't be discussed. Then, due to effect of past experience, whatever he may speak and beseech, I am the one who respond and speak. When a talkative man meets himself, then the work of talking does not take place. That silence is my best praise. While he is speaking, the one who speaks, that is I, he meets him. So speaking stop, and by this silence is really praise me. Hey Arjuna, with mind or with eyes, what he goes on seeing, that seeing shows viewer pushing seen aside. The face which exists before coming to the mirror sees itself as a reflection. His seeing is like that, seeing a seer. When seer sees seer losing sin, then what he sees as he is alone, even seeing doesn't take place. Then beloved son is a dream. When on awakening one tries to embrace, both disappears and he finds himself alone. Or in rubbing two pieces of wood, one fire is produced, the term two pieces vanishes, only fire remains. When sun goes taking his reflection with him, not only in his reflection lost, but he himself, his body also is lost. I am going to stop here. Thank you very much.